Selling options is like picking up pennies in front of a bulldozer. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com, and in this video we're going to discuss whether it's true that selling options is like picking up pennies in front of a bulldozer. When selling options, it's all about size. Actually, the downside of selling options is that you don't actually participate in the upside potential of the underlying stock. But as long as you're disciplined, then selling an out-of-the-money put option carries less risk than buying stock. Plus, what other alternatives do you have? If you buy stock, then your buying power is reduced by about 50%. If you buy deep in the money call leaps, then you're going to tie up buying power for a long period of time, and you can only make money if the price of the underlying stock appreciates substantially. Selling options is similar to acting like a casino or an insurance company. Those who claim that selling options is similar to picking up pennies in front of a bulldozer simply don't understand how to properly mitigate risk. David Jaffe with BestStockStrategy.com. Please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on whether you believe selling options is similar to picking up pennies in front of a bulldozer. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I appreciate your attention.